Hey, first grade. Today we are going to be talking about singular and plural words. So you guys maybe have heard those words before, but singular just means one and plural means more than one. So here I have one car, so the word car is singular. But here I have cars. I have more than one, so cars is plural. Now, to go from singular to plural when you're writing a word, all you do is add an S at the end. You guys know this from foundations, that an S at the end says S. So, over here with one, we have car, but when we now have more than one and we need to make it a plural, we say cars. So all I did was add an S at the end. All right, guys, so what about tennis ball? Now, how can I make this plural? Tennis balls. Add an S at the end. Here's one, and here's more than one. When there's more than one, you add an S at the end. All right, so what do we have a picture of over here? Cake. And when we add more than one, what does the word become? Cakes. We added an S at the end. Cakes. All right, guys, what do we have over here? Boy. And when we add more than one boy, what does it become? Boys. We add an S at the end because there's more than one. It's now plural. All right, guys, what do we have over here? Shoe. That's only one shoe, so it's singular. But now we have two, so what does the word become? Shoes. All we did was add an S at the end. All right, what do we have over here, y'all? Dog. And now we've got more than one dog, so how can we change that word? Dogs. All we did was add an S at the end to go from singular dog, just one, to plural dogs, more than one. All right, what do we have over here? Dollar. And now we've got more than $1, so what can we do to make our word plural? Add an S, and it becomes dollars. All right, so don't forget to change words from singular to plural. To go from one to more than one, what do you add at the end? S. Add an S at the end. Great job, you guys.